Hey everybody, so for all of those who are still guessing, here's where I am. There you go. That's right, whoever guessed Mexico, you are right. That's where we are. This is the town cathedral, and usually you can go in here. But under the circumstances right now, it's closed, and that's really unfortunate because this church is really, really beautiful. This is actually the mission of San Jose del Cabo, and it is gorgeous inside. So pretty, just so pretty. I wish I could take you guys in there and just see it. It's really pretty. This is a town square. They ring the bells. This is where everything happens here in this town. So they're in the process of putting up displays for September 15th. They're having a big fiesta down here. We're not going to be here, unfortunately. But this is the town square. This is where everything happens. The first time we were here was back in 2006, and a lot has changed. The town square is a little bit bigger than it used to be. There's a lot more stores, a lot less people. This sign was not here. This is so cool. These signs are everywhere in Mexico that we've been, so it's really cool. And this says it's art by Ivan Guadarrama. This is really cool. It's really pretty. This has become a really artsy town. The last time we were here in 2009, it was not an artsy town, but they have an art walk here now. It's really cool. So we were hoping to see the art walk, but it's closed for September, mainly due to the weather, because they have hurricanes come off the coast. We've got a little bit of clouds up here. It's supposed to like 20% chance of rain. I don't think we're going to get anything. We would welcome it right now. It's I think 88 degrees and about 60% humidity. So in the shade, it's really nice. Not bad at all. See, they're decorating in the shade where, like right now, it's perfect. Perfect weather. It's just going out into the sun is a little bit hot. Everybody's wearing masks. So we feel very safe. It's very nice. So I will check in with you guys with another video and show you some more of the town. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. There's lots more coming, you guys. Lots more coming. This is not the only town we're going to.